Good day, world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Okay, today we're looking at Victorinox again, and we are looking at this guy, the Handyman. Okay, yes, it is quite fat, where the one that I normally carry is a 3-layer camper. This is a 6-layered knife. Okay, I didn't add any of these things. I'm showing it to you as I got it. Now, it was secondhand, or it is secondhand, and this thing has been bent. It is not clean yet. I need to clean it up, but I'm going to show you just the way I got it. Okay, it does also have black toothpick and tweezer, which means it's aftermarket or different ones that they got, but they are working quite well. Now, this toothpick and tweezer, I use these things quite a lot and I really like them. They are useful for 1,000,001 things, apart from what they are intended to do and apart from being awesome at getting splinters or slivers out of your fingers and things. Yes, so that's one of the reasons why these ALOX scales and all of the other scales, they are lacking. I would love if they make these things with any type of thing, brass, aluminum, anything, but just mill in the little slot so I can still get those. Okay, we have beautiful inlaid shield over there. You can see that this thing was in a pocket. If I were to carry this guy, I would most likely carry this thing in a pouch. Okay, so let's start going through it. Like I said, the Handyman is most likely the biggest one I will ever carry with me because this is quite big already. Okay, but it's not so big that you cannot use it. Okay, I'm motioning for you, but I'm not sure if you know what I'm doing. Anything bigger than this, it just becomes quite ridiculous to use it as a knife. Okay, so let's go through it. We have a knife, and on this side, we have our little blade over there. Love that thing. If you want to see how old this is, we see the two little bows, and on this side, we see Victorinox Switzerland stainless rostfrei. Rostfrei is just German for stainless. Okay, next up we have, how do I get to it? That thing. Okay, which is nice. This is the metal file. And then they say you can use this as a saw. And then over there, the other metal file. And then this rounded piece that you can use to clean your nails and do whatever you think you want to use it for. Next one, we have the awesome Victorinox, what's this thing? Saw. The wood saw on these guys are amazing. They're thinner at the top than at the bottom, so the curve makes it not stick in things, and that is part of the reason they are so awesomely awesome. Then we have these scissors. Okay, everybody loves the scissors on these guys. So we have scissors, and then we have this thing. Okay, this is the little pliers that we get on these guys. Okay, it's not like big multi-tool pliers, which means you're not going to be tightening huge bolts and things, but they will definitely get you out of a pinch. And look there at the bottom. If you open it completely, do you see there? We have the wire cutter. Now, they cut wire, but only if they can fit in there. Okay, so the wire cutters and the little, what's these things? Pliers, which is like tweezers on steroids. Let's go for that, because yes, it's not like a Leatherman pliers, but they are very useful. Okay, over here we have our little flathead, but you can see somebody was using it as a Phillips head screwdriver, and they did it quite rough. Anyway, and then we have an awesome can opener, very nice. And on this side we have the half stop, we have the big flat, the wire stripper, the cap lifter, very nice. Now on the back we have a few interesting things. Okay, we have our normal thing. I need to bend this thing, but don't bend it while it's in the knife, or at least hold it at the bottom when you bend it. Otherwise, you're going to bend the whole frame. But anyway, can you see it's been bent out of shape? Now, that happens when you are muscling open a, what do you call it? a cork from a bottle. And if you're opening your wine and you twist the thing to the side, that happens. Okay, then the second tool we have over here is this thing. It's like a little chisel. Okay, or maybe a scraper, whatever you want to use it for, but it's like a little chisel. So that's nice, just that. Then next to that we get this thing. Now this is a very small little flat screwdriver, and that's what that is. Yes, not a lot more. Quite a weird little tool actually. Anyway, then we have our Paarscheluk. It's not the fancy one with the sandy, the filey things on it. It's just normal Paarscheluk. And yes, there's millions of uses for these things. The only thing I've ever used this for was those thin tent pegs. You know, those little thin ones that you get with most tents. That's quite useless actually in soft ground or in windy conditions. But if you beat those things into hard ground, like very solid earth, then you need something to pull it out with, and this thing actually works quite nicely for that. Then we have nothing over there. That's the back of the whatchamacallit, and over there we get our awl. Okay, as somebody in one of my videos said, you can also use the awl as your fire steel scraper. I still prefer to use the back of my saw. I just hold it like that so it doesn't fold easily, and then you scrape your fire steel like that. But whatever makes you happy. So this is the Victorinox Handyman. Quite handy to have with you. Okay, I carried it as my backup knife today, and I had my Warblade Warrior with me for the last, from Friday. Okay, today's Sunday. Sunday quite late. It's like 4 or 5 o'clock, and I think we're gonna have a storm. I'm not sure, but anyway, wonderful day, all of you. Oh, I'm gonna show you a braai we had with my brother last night. Wonderful day to all of you, and the exceptional week. All of you stay safe, happy. Have a good one. Goodbye. Okay, skilpaadjies and Victorinox accessories.
Ag, dis vir jou. Ek het nou klaar die vleis uit.
With flowers in it. Nice. Okay, and then remote Land Rover. Lego Land Rover. Clay Land Rover. Okay, skilpaadjies, steaks, and soon more to come. And other. Okay, and braai knife today is the Warblade Warrior. Nice. Okay, now we have rosemary and garlic in there. Delicious. Look at the meat thermometer.
Kyk wat hier smaak hy goed. Ons het maklik.
Okay. Good night, everybody.